Well, happening now, the 2024 Elkhart Recreational Vehicle Open House.
It's a dealers only event that showcases innovation and industry trends, but lucky for us, we know a guy. Auto expert Mike Caudill has your inside look.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to the RV capital of the world here in Elkhart, Indiana, where there are a lot of different trends taking place in the RV industry. I've spent the past few days here at the RV Open House. Thousands of RVs for dealers coming in from around the country to take a look at, and these manufacturers showing off their latest and greatest in technology. Speaking of technology, right off the top, Thor Industries announcing a new partnership with a company called Harbinger Motors, bringing the world's first fully hybrid electric RV into the market. It'll get 500 miles of range, 150 miles of pure electric charge, and a cool performance statistic if you want to race it a 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds. Winnebago showing off its all-new Connect app. What makes this unique is that you can actually engage with your RV anywhere in the world. You can control the climate to ensure that your pup is cooled down, and you can monitor things like your batteries, your tanks, and water as well. That'll be coming to Winnebagos here in the very near future. Affordability, a big discussion point here in Elkhart as well. I scoured the entire show looking for the most affordable unit. This is it right here. It's by a company called Jayco, and this is the J-Flight SLX. It sleeps up to 6. What's really cool is on the inside, it'll have bunk beds, a kitchen dinette, full bathroom as well, and a queen size bed starting right around $15,000. Ember showing off its all new Spark, meaning spark your interest in getting outdoors. What I really love about Ember as a brand is that they've found ways to really engineer in a different way to design a floor plan. This one has a workstation on the inside with a hatch that opens up so you can enjoy nature. Full kitchen on the inside, of course, theater seating, and there's your queen size bed right there, right around $39,000 for that Ember Spark. Now, Grand Design, they're known for towables, so travel trailers and fifth wheels. They're getting into the motorized market. This is the Lineage, and this one is completely customized. It's a Class C with theater seating, full kitchen, and some really cool hidden compartments like this one behind the flat screen, and residential refrigerator on the inside. You're looking at about $190,000 for that Lineage. Now, destination RVs, destination trailers are a big thing. It's a new trend. These are north of 40 feet in length. This is the Forest River Cedar Creek, and it has this really cool fiberglass painted exterior with that wood grain finish. Lots of room on the inside of this with a workstation and pull-out pantry. I wanted to also show you the Alliance Benchmark. This is really cool. Their engineering team went a slightly different direction. They wanted to create an outside experience where you can integrate in an actual deck or patio that keeps you outdoors enjoying nature. Now, with destination RVs, you can take them to campsites, but you can also take them and drop them on a piece of land that you might own over a lake or a river. Look at this washer and dryer, of course, on the inside as well. And the Crossroad Hampton, I really love the design of this all new destination RV. This one has a big bay window, lots of storage, and as you make your way inside, lots of cool space. Of course, it will also have a pretty good sized kitchen, master suite, and even a washer and dryer as well. All these start about $100,000. And I'll close it out with this one that excites me. This is your party patio. It's the Forest River Salem 32 veranda. Their engineering team said, hey, let's hang out outdoors, up off the ground. You can take your chairs, set them out on this patio. It will also have a grill for you to barbecue outside, and then of course some really cool integrated misters. So a lot of great things happening here in Elkhart, guys. So much to talk about, so little time. For now, I'm going to toss it back to you.